until your glow appears before my sight. A storm of crimson sparks a golden sea. 1,000 tiny wonders calling out to me.
Little dancing circles, purple in the flame. Orange whispers softly like it knows my name. Chaos made of beauty, wild but somehow right. Every shade is singing in the warmest light. And suddenly my heart feels wide, like windows opening inside.
All these colors carry me away, like a summer wind at the end of the day. They shimmer, they laugh, they move so free. And somewhere in their glow, I find a piece of me.
Oh, this painting sings without a sound, spreading quiet joy all around. And I stand right here in the golden light, while the colors whisper, you're shining bright.
The river made of blue runs through the fire, like drifting thoughts and rising hope and wonder. Dark velvet shadows holding gentle peace, where every hidden layer lets the feeling grow. Stories built in colors, softly stacked in time. Dreams inside the pigment's rhythm without rhyme. And suddenly I'm lighter than before, like I found a missing piece I didn't know I wore. And something lifts my soul so high.
Like quiet wings begin to fly.
All these colors carry me away, like a summer wind at the end of the day. They shimmer, they laugh, they move so free. And somewhere in their glow, I find a piece of me.
Oh, this painting sings without a sound, spreading quiet joy all around. And I stand right here in the golden light, while the colors whisper, you're shining bright. Maybe they're just dots, maybe only paint,
But to me they're hope that never fades away,
a fire made of joy.
in a silent frame, showing how beautiful the world can be again. All these colors carry me away, like a song of light that decides to stay. They glow, they dance, they endlessly rise, like 1,000 tiny suns inside my eyes. And I stand so still, but my heart can roam through oceans of color that feel like home. This painting gave my soul a spark tonight, and my heart answered back with light. I walk through quiet hallways, slow and light, until your glow appears before my sight. A storm of crimson sparks a golden sea. 1,000 tiny wonders calling out to me.
Little dancing dancing circles, purple in the flame. Orange whispers softly like it knows my name. Chaos made of beauty, wild but somehow right. Every shade is singing in the warmest light. And suddenly my heart feels wide, like windows opening inside.